For the first Zippo gadget, we got here emergency fire kit. Let's open it up and see what it's all about. Right here looks like the kindling. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. And the kindling we gotta put inside here. There's a simple instructions. We already know how to use it. I should probably open this one up too. It should be waterproof, so I don't think I will need the plastic bag. Boom, stick it in here. And then right here goes inside here. And then screw it on. Okay, let's see how well it sparks. Wow, definitely a big flash of sparks. And I do like that you can hang it somewhere. Okay, let's open it up this part. Take off one piece and try to start the fire with this. Okay, let's start to spark on it just by itself. Nope, most likely it will not spark up. What you have to do is pretty much crumble it up a little bit. Boom, just like that. You see it's very fuzzy. Strike it. And boom, it's light up. Wow, burns really well, that's for sure. And once you're done, you can just screw this part back on. As you can see, the fire tender works well. It burns a long time. But is it waterproof? We also have to put that to the test. Let's make sure it's all the way tight. Feels pretty tight. Boom. So that's another plus. It's light enough to where it's also floatable, not just waterproof. If you drop it in pretty deep water, you don't have to worry about it sinking. So as you can see, it's definitely waterproof. Boom, and obviously there's everything dry. Once again, everything dry inside. Awesome. Also never seen a design like that fire kit, so thumbs up for me. For the next Zippo survival gadget, another fire starter, but this one looks like a Zippo lighter, but it's not at all. Let's see how it works. And boom. Once again, another piece that floats. I like that a lot. That means it's light enough for whatever air inside of it, get it to float. And also it's plastic. Maybe the plastic makes it float as well. Okay, let's see if it's dry inside, and hopefully it works, because I do like this survival gadgets. And it's very similar as this survival kit, but it's a little bit more compact. If you're looking for something smaller, you can get one of this. It looks like matches, but it's fire tender, but that's already fluffed up on this side. And looks like it fits only 4 pieces. Right here shows you which way to strike it. With this one, look how fast it's going to be. Boom, and it lights up. Okay, and let's see how fast this one can light it up. There you go, and it's burning. You see, this one burns a while as well. You can fluff it up a little bit more so that way you don't lose it, but I don't know if you can see it, but it's still burning. I don't know if you can see it, but it's still burning. Nice, there you go. With this amount of burn, definitely really easy to start a fire. Just get small twigs or whatever you have and get it going. Also, huge thumbs up, love the design, looks like a Zippo lighter, definitely put it in my collection. Also, I would like to point out there is different design of this kind of design. This piece is metal, it also fits about 3 or 4 pieces. Spark is the same, really good one. But this one is metal and this one is plastic. And for the next Zippo gadget, we got here another fire starter, but this one is a Zippo striker. You know, like a magnesium flint, but it does not have magnesium, it's just a striker. Let's see how it works, and hopefully this is a good quality. First of all, I really do love the design. Boom, there's a steel right here, and right here you can put a carabiner, rope, whatever. Let's open it up. Holds in really tightly, as you can see. This is nice. Let's strike it, see what it's all about. There you go. That's a lot of spark. We got here coconut husk. Let's see how hard it is to get it going. Boom, 1 spark and it's all burning well. Look how much flame there is. Love coconut husk. Burns so well. So I would put some coconut husk with this fire starter. So that way you have tinder and a striker. And for the next Zippo gadgets, this one is probably first time I've ever seen Zippo created matches, but this is a survival Zippo matches. Let's see what they're all about, and hopefully they work. We'll do also a waterproof test. This is the matches container. Oh wow, that's tight. And looks like this is what you're going to strike matches on. Oh, looks like there is a top too. Oh, okay, this is where you're going to strike matches on. And this thing right here is replaceable. Love that idea, never seen anything like that. Okay, let's take out the survival matches. Looks like 15 matches. Let's put them in the container. Oh yeah, don't forget your replacement striker. And close that. Hopefully they also float. Boom, nice, looks like they float. And I don't see any bubbles coming out from there. Okay, let's open them up. Also, every time I make them wet, I would like to dry it out first to make sure nothing gets wet when you open it. Okay, open it. Let's take out one match from here, then close it. Pop this part open. Let's see if it's still dry. Yep, very dry. Okay, let's strike it. Whoa, look at that burn. It's pretty windy, as you can see. It doesn't bother it at all, the wind. Still burning. Love this survival matches stuff like that. And it's still burning. Let's do one more test with this matches. First of all, we're going to dip it in the water. No big deal, shake it off. Let's strike it. Strikes easily. Okay, burns well. Now, let's dip it in the water. And it burns underwater. Take it out, shake it off, it still burns. Put it in the water, take it out, shake it a little bit. And it still burns. That's awesome. So you know what, the matches and the case definitely works well. If you drop it in the water, they're not going to sink. And if you're going to get the matches wet a little bit, they're still going to burn. Love that. Just make sure you close it tight so nothing gets inside of it. Well, this one is a Zippo paracord holder. There's lots of uses in the survival situation for the rope, and paracord is very durable. So what I'm going to do is get my survival Zippo lighter and stick it in here, and boom. That way I have awesome holder. It fits well for this Zippo lighter. I could put carabiner on. Look at it, 26 feet unraveled rope. If once you unravel it, you have a belt loops. You can stick it in the belt. Definitely happy to put that in my collection. And for the next gadget, this is also older gadget. I had it for a long time. This is a hand warmer, and they say it will work for 12 hours right here. This part, this is how we're going to fill it up. I guess we're going to fill it up this part first. That's what it says, to the line. And that way we know how much we need to fill it up. So that way we don't overfill it. And next time, simply is just pour it slowly into here. Oh no, I overfilled it everywhere. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I am so bad at it. I spilled a lot of it. Oh well, I'm not gonna light it up right away. I'm actually going to let it dry off a little bit, or I'm gonna go wipe it off with some kind of rag or something. I guess I'm supposed to let some of that gas to burn off. Okay, let's close it. That's not how it's supposed to work, that's for sure. Well, let's burn off some of that gas and let's see what happens. That's it, the flame is under control, a lot more. Okay, looks like this part right here is burning slowly. It's not supposed to be actually come off as hot flames. But this part right here is very hot. You see it's already heating up. 104, 114, 119. And there's no flames inside of there. Let me just open this once again. This heating element not supposed to have any flames. So we just had to wait till it burns off a little bit. And let's look at this. 97, 100. So as you can see, it's giving off a lot of heat, 100 degrees. And once it's all heats up, you're going to have a pocket that as hot as 96 degrees. Definitely works as an awesome hand warmer. And for the next Zippo gadget, this is campfire wood carrier. You open up the handle, boom, lay it out like this. Then we're gonna lay a bunch of wood and take it to the house and start off the fireplace, because the winter is gonna be cold. I'm definitely going to use it. Instead of holding it all in my hands, I can use this. That's plenty, that will last a long time. Then you close it up and take it to the house or to your campfire, whatever. Looks awesome. I'm definitely using this. And once you're ready to dump it out, look how easy it is to dump it out. Boom. Also guys, there's one more Zippo gadget you probably never seen, a Zippo axe. I'll put the link in the description. I have made this video recently on my second channel before I come up with the idea for this channel. So go check it out. Link in the description. Also, let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.